In MCQ 12, we'll take a look at the distribution of vascular bundle in the stem of a plant. So as a summary, there are three areas of the plant that actually comes with your vascular bundle. We have your root, the stem, and lastly, the leaves. I'm going to use blue over here to represent xylem and pink to represent phloem. So drawing out the root first. Right, it has a very iconic spiky-like structure that's in the middle. We have this as the xylem. And in between the ends of the spike-like structure is actually going to be the phloem itself. Now the stem, which is what the question wanted, has a different arrangement of vascular bundle. Nearer to the core of it is going to be the xylem. And on the peripheral, it's going to have the phloem itself. Now you realize that there is an area in between that I did not actually color it. I'm going to put this in yellow. Now this area here is actually known as the cambium, which is actually a region of undifferentiated cells that actually becomes either xylem or phloem depending on the needs of the plant. If xylem is damaged, it will actually differentiate into xylem tissues. And lastly, at the leaf, the vascular bundle is found where the spongy mesophyll, those irregularly shaped cells are. So looking closely, you will find that some of this actually has a much thicker cell wall than expected. Now this is reminiscent of the lignified layer of the xylem that provides mechanical and structural support. Now if the thickness is not apparent, take a look at cells that are beside other cells that actually contains nucleus. Now because these cells with nucleus are known as your companion cells, and they actually helps the phloem to undergo the process of translocation by actually actively going through the production and the release of energy via aerobic respiration because they contain mitochondria. So this helps the sieve tube elements to have sufficient energy to undergo translocation. So in the case here, we're looking for the kind of cells that has the highest water potential in the stem of the dicotyledonous plant. We're definitely looking at the location of xylem. So the answer here will be